All right, guys, welcome to the next episode of Tandem Talk. I'm here interviewing my buddy, one of the craziest drivers I know, Danny G. All right, Danny, I got a question for you.
Okay.
Where are you from?
California.
Are you?
Yeah.
Where do you live now?
Arkansas.
Okay. How old are you?
24.
24. How long have you been drifting?
This is my second year IRL. This is my 14th event, second event boosted. But I've been drifting on the sim since I was 13, so 10, 11 years now.
How's the boosted going? Is that awesome?
Yeah, when it doesn't catch fire.
Yeah, last week it caught fire.
It only makes 4 pounds now. I gotta figure out like what's going on, if I got a vacuum leak or
Boost leak, yeah.
Or boost leak, vacuum leak, whatever. I don't know the terms. It just doesn't, it needs to make like 7, 8 pounds.
What got you into drifting?
Dude, I don't know.
You don't know?
I have no idea. I remember growing up and there was always cars there. And then, I don't know, maybe like Fast and Furious or Hot Wheels Acceleracers.
Yeah.
And then Initial D.
Okay, Initial D, that did it.
But like Hot Wheels Acceleracers is the shit. Like if you know about that, you're in for the long haul.
Where do you see yourself going in drifting? Like competition or casual?
Casual, but like if there was a cage in this thing, I mean, I'd do full lock drift just to see where I can go against others.
Okay.
Because like, I watch the same people here, and I'm like, I'm doing the same thing. Like, why can't I like to see where I can stand, but nah, I like the grassroots stuff.
Okay. Do you have a favorite driver or driver you look up to?
Julian Jacobs.
Julian Jacobs. I'll have to look him up.
Animal style, dude.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Watch Final Bout 2. Their in-car and stuff's insane.
To follow that question, if you could drive with any driver, who would it be?
I'd probably pick Julian Jacobs. That or like there's some Japanese drifters that like drift at Hidashi Tengoku, and like their jump drifts are absolutely insane. I mean, like jump on the crest fully backwards and then like down the hill into a straight. It's insane.
If you could pick a brand to partner with, who would it be?
A tire company.
A tire company?
Tire company.
Can you pick one? You have a favorite tire company you want to shout out? Just in case this video goes big, the tire company can hit you up.
I want Toyo tires because the car's blue. And all the Toyo like blue cars from the old school option videos, Toyo tire.
Toyo tire hit Danny up. All right, what is the year, make, and model of your car?
It's a 91 Mazda Miata. It's got AC, heat, cruise control, power steering. So it's a 900-degree rotation. I found out the manual rack ones, they have 1100 degrees of rotation.
Huh. What's the drivetrain? So I know you probably went stock.
Oh, so the engine's completely stock. So a stock 1.6, and then I still have the stock transmission, so the stock 5-speed. It's not a 1.8 5-speed, it's a 1.6 5-speed. But I have a 1.8 diff from an NB, and then this one's from a Mazda Speed NB.
Okay.
And then I got all the NB axles and stuff. So it's all 1.8 NB stuff because it's supposed to be like bigger and better and stronger.
What's your angle mods?
Oh, Destroy or Die. I got all the stickers and stuff on
Okay, bet.
Everything on this car is Destroy or Die. Front uppers, front lowers, front knuckles, rear uppers, rear lowers, rear knuckles, my inners, like everything Destroy or Die.
Okay. What's the coolest mod on your car right now?
Huh?
What's the coolest mod on your car right now?
My over fenders.
Your over fenders?
No, not my over fenders, but like my metal fenders that we like turned into over fenders. So instead of like, so what people do is they'll hammer the lip in and then they'll pull it. What we did was you drilled out the spot welds and then separated the outer skin from the wheelhouse and then like moved everything over and then re-welded it together and made our own lip. So don't look at this side because like I chip Bondo and stuff now, so I gotta fix it. But if you look at this one, this side looks cool. It just looks like it's got an over, but that's all stock body. That's 195, 50 15s, 18, or no, not 18, 15 by 8, and then plus 25 with a 25 offset. So I'm 15 by 8 plus 0 essentially, with 0 camber.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And so like, I like the quarters a lot.
What's the sketchiest mod or repair you've done to your car?
The oil pan.
The oil pan?
Yeah, so we drilled the oil pan for the bung, for the turbo drain, and then I had David like weld the pan up with that bung in there because it kept leaking. So I only had the engine supported by like the front of the trans with the jack. I never had the little thingy that goes on top of it to hold the engine up. So I'm just under there like cleaning the oil pan and stuff, and there's like nothing supporting this engine. Subframe's out of the car. That was sketchy as hell.
Okay, all right. Question, do you daily your drift car?
Yes, it's my only car I own.
And how far of drive you have to make today?
It was 4.5 hours.
4.5 hours.
Yeah, 4.5 hours.
Car.
And then, I've done it for Trippin' Luck. I went to Speed Sports, Mid Pond. I just drive it everywhere. Because like, I'd like to have a truck and trailer like that. Like a dually with a big boy, that'd be sick. But I'm broke.
You drive crazy. His car literally caught on fire last event on the way home.
It was like, I was halfway in, so the last time there was oil and crap all in my engine bay by now, like blow by or just like bad O-rings or something. It looks all dry now. And then plus the turbo came loose, so like I got different stuff, like inconel studs with like special locking washers. And then, seems fine now. We'll find out.
All right, word to the beginners. What's one piece of advice you'd give to someone starting out?
Make sure you can do, like say you want to work on an entry or work on like a transition area, work at that one speed. Like if you know you can go in at like 20 miles an hour, go in at 20. And then once you get that, bump it up to 25, then bump it up to 30. And then once you can just like progressively go and get faster, then you're just full throttle all the time. And then you'll just figure out when to flick earlier.
That's a good piece of advice. I like that.
Because like that point, you just get consistent and steady and comfortable with that speed before you step it up.
Okay. What is one mistake beginners should avoid?
Pulling the handbrake too much.
Pulling the handbrake too much?
Because you're
coming after me, guys.
You're unsettling the car. Like I like to think of it as like a dirt racing aspect. You know how they like push the foot brake and it kind of just like dives down and like just pulls the car around essentially, and they just turn in. It's the same thing.
Okay. The next question is, could you give us a quick rundown on your tow rig? But
this is my tow rig. I mean, you see me packing everything up. I had more tires and crap in here last time. Like it's gonna be nice. I love the drives home because like my passenger floorboard's like empty because like normally it's full of like 4 tires over there. So now I get extra room and whatnot.
All right, what do you think of this track?
Oh, dude, it's my favorite track.
Favorite track?
So I was in Japan, and I was right by Motorland SP, which is like the stock drift track in Assetto, but like the real life version. And this track just reminds me so much of it. And multiple different layouts. You can the amount of danger and risk zones you got is just so good.
All right. Where does this track land on your rating 1 to 10? What do you rate this track 1 out of 10?
8.5.
8.5. Okay.
There's some things I'd improve.
Any advice for people visiting this track for the first time?
Bring a lot of gas. Bring gas jugs and gas.
Okay, more gas.
A lot of gas.
I already know the answer to this question because he stripped out a lug nut, but can I drive your car?
Yes, if I wasn't loading up, you were more than welcome to. You let me drive yours, so it's fair.
Insert clip of him 3-wheeling my BMW. What's next for your build?
figure out how to turn the boost up to get wastegate pressure. I gotta pull the rear inners back in, or the rear lowers back in. I gotta stop rubbing on my quarters because I keep chipping Bondo and it's not fun. So I'm gonna pull the lowers back in, put the other shim on, and so boost, rear camber, make it look really good.
Any events you're targeting next?
Trip to the pond.
What?
Trip to the pond.
Trip to the pond?
Trip to the pond.
What is that?
Mid pond.
Mid pond.
It's like crazy drivers. Trip to the pond. I mean, like big clutch kick left, clutch kick right, snappy transition entries. I mean, you're pushing each other around the track. If you have a car length gap in your tandem and you're too far away,
Okay.
like trip to the pond.
Okay.
Where we're going.
All right. Where can people follow you?
Instagram and YouTube.
Instagram, YouTube.
It's
Can
just
you drop
Danny.
that. Say it.
It's DannyG._ is Instagram. And I think my YouTube's like DannyG333, I think.
Okay. I'll try to put it in the comments and tag
Yep.
in the video.
Like the YouTube's my in-car, then the Instagram's just like pictures, clips, and stuff.
Okay. Anyone you want to shout out?
I miss driving with the homies, like Jordan and them.
Okay. So shout out to the homies, the Arkansas homies.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Shout out Cody and Cam, bro. They shitted on everybody at Double Cup.
Okay.
Fucking Miata swarmed by S chassis, won the whole thing. Some Tennessee boys, that shit was sick.
All right. Well, brother, thanks for doing Tandem Talk with me.
Was that it?
That was it. That was all. It went quick, didn't it?
There was no tandem questions.
No, this is called Tandem Talk.
But there's no tandem question.
There's no tandem question. No, it's just.
Then how can you have a tandem talk without tandem questions? You gotta at least ask me one tandem question. All right,
That's just the name.
I'll tell you something about my favorite kind of tandem. So like, you know when you're in the sim and like you're like on someone's door and you just like clutch kicking and you're trying to get at their door even closer.
Yeah.
So like you're already right here, but I mean you're just like clutch kicking and driving into their car essentially, but like not touching them or hitting them. I mean, fuck, you might bump them and stuff, but there's a few times where I got to do that in real life. The best tandems, dude. It's like whenever you're just right there, you're looking at, like, you can see their face in their mirrors and stuff, and you're just beating on the clutch right behind. It's the greatest thing. Greatest feeling.
Brother, thanks for letting me do a video with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, let me give you a hug. I'll give you a hug.
Yup. Love you, Tristan.
Love you too, brother. Thanks for watching Tandem Talk, guys. Don't forget to check out myhobbygarage.shop for all your vehicle needs.
He's just mumbling over there.
And more to come to this series, so we'll see you later. That was Tandem Talk.
Look at him.
Peace out.
Look at him. Peace.
Hey, yo!